Are you struggling to make buying a home more affordable? Look no further. In this video, we'll share tips and resources on how you can find a home that fits your budget. Stay tuned for valuable information that could save you thousands and more.
So we're Rachel and Doug Swardstrom with Coldwell Banker in the Swardstrom Group, and we're luxury agents here in Orange County. In today's video, we're going to help you learn how to make buying a home more affordable. Buying a home can be an exciting process, but it can also be challenging, especially when it comes to affordability. In this video, we'll provide you with tips and resources to help you widen your search areas, explore alternative financing options, and take advantage of down payment assistance programs. And you can work with real estate professionals to help find a home that fits your budget. Stay tuned until the end of this video, where we'll have a link to a video that has 12 tips for saving for a down payment on a home.
Tip number 1, widening your search area. When looking for a home, you might naturally focus your search on a specific neighborhood or town. However, limiting your search area can also restrict your options and lead to higher prices. It's essential to widen your search area to find more affordable homes. You can start by exploring different neighborhoods or towns that you might not have considered before. Research the local housing market and check out open houses to get a sense of what's available. You may find that other areas have more affordable homes or better incentives for buyers.
Tip number 2, alternative financing options. So traditional mortgages may not be the only option for you. There are alternative financing options that can be more affordable, such as an FHA loan or a VA loan. FHA loans are insured by the Federal Housing Administration and offer low down payments and flexible credit requirements. VA loans are available to veterans and offer competitive interest rates and no down payment. It's crucial to work with a trusted lender who can help you explore the range of financing options available to you and choose the right option for you. If you need a list of trustworthy and knowledgeable lenders, please reach out to us. We'd be happy to provide one.
Tip 3, down payment assistance programs. Many states and local governments offer down payment assistance programs to help first-time homebuyers afford a home. These programs can provide grants, low-interest loans, or deferred payment loans, helping with down payment and closing cost. Certain areas even have grants or programs to help first-time homebuyers. Be sure to review the eligibility requirements and the application process to determine if you qualify for these programs.
Tip number 4, working with a real estate professional. Working with a real estate agent or a broker can help you navigate the home buying process and find affordable homes that fit your needs. A professional agent can provide you with local market expertise, insights into the home values, and access to listings that may not yet be on the market. So the right agent can help you negotiate with the sellers to get the best deal possible. If you're in this area in Orange County or Southern California and looking to move to this area, please contact us and we would love to work with you personally. Or we could help you find an agent in your area.
So what's the bottom line? Remember, buying a home doesn't have to be an unaffordable and a stressful task as some may believe. By utilizing our tips and our resources to widen your search area, explore alternative financing options, taking advantage of down payment assistance programs, and working with a real estate professional in your area, you can make buying a home more affordable and actually exciting throughout the whole process. At the end of this video, we have 12 tips on how to save for your down payment too. We encourage you to take advantage of these resources, and we wish you the best of luck in your home buying journey, wherever you are. We also want to invite you to contact us with any questions you have or put them in the comments section below. If you come visit us, we'll buy you a cup of coffee and help you think through your decisions in your home buying journey. So we encourage you to take advantage of these resources, and we wish you the best of luck in your home buying journey. We also want to invite you to contact us with any questions you may have, or just write them in the comments section below and we'll get back to you. If you're in the area, we'll buy you a cup of coffee and help you think through your decisions in your home buying journey.
Thanks for watching.